wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and smashing up. We already know what time it is. You don't know for people from the type what we are dealing with today. But you don't know before we jump in the video, jump in the track, what you gotta do. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You don't know anything go. If you're a bad mind, don't hit the like button, don't hit the subscribe button. You see me? If you're a hater, don't hit the like button, don't hit the subscribe button. You see, if you're fake, don't hit the like button, don't hit the, I don't want no fake people, I don't want no bad mind people over here. Only the real people can hit the like and the subscribe button. You see me? Now people, you see from the type we are dealing with today. Yeah man, we are dealing with a track. We are dealing with another track from an artist that's no stranger to the channel now. Who me I talk about Skeng. Yeah man. You don't know what we talk about Skeng down man. Skeng, you know Skeng is a new artist on the dancehall scene. You know, slowly becoming a veteran, you know, a more seasoned artist in the dancehall, but he's been burning up, you know what I'm saying? They say this is gonna be what Skeng our first year the dog I do the first year on the scene and I do so good so far. But yeah man. So we're gonna check it out. Yesterday I dropped a song entitled London. You see me, we'll see a snippet on the video, you know, a couple days ago on IG when dog I say yo I'm cool and thing and way ready for shoot the video. Then next day dog drop it, so it look like Skeng out there work, Skeng and them thing out there work, you see me? And he drop a new song entitled London and I check it out and see what I go and see if it's a vibe. We'll check out the video and see what I go on. So people, yeah man, so before we jump in the chat, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, turn on the post notification bell. We're now hold up the vibe. It's no longer I jump right in the track. This is Skeng, London. Let's get it.
Hello mate, a Spaniard Monday in your place when the cause I win the chase, get straight to the face.
Easy, dog. So you got Spaniard man in the place. I don't have Spanish town that come from. Easy that one.
Spaniard Monday in your place when the cause I win the chase, get straight to the pace. From a day in the race, tell him none of them are safe. If I tell you,
I done got the chopper in the background. Yo, Skeng, I see money, you know, I'm not lying at dog. Whoever his team and management is or whoever I'm signed to, they investing into Skeng, boy. I can't even lie on that one, boy. I see that boy flying private. Boy, got a helicopter in video. Bro, they spending money on Skeng, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
in your face and London, dun. Fanada plus clansman, bad man's king, down one.
Easy, me like the starting there. Me like the starting. Pull it up. Come in. Blouse and skirt. Come in.
Hello mate, a Spaniard Monday in your place when the cause I win the chase, get straight to the pace. From a day in the race, tell him none of them are safe. If I tell in your face,
Spaniard man in the place, get straight to the beat. Come in. That drop now, come in.
London, dun. Fanada plus clansman, bad man's king, down one dance, paint on gunman.
One other plot, clansman, bad man, one that.
And if I feel like sending to do action, recheck good man, so I get a wrong bang. And my style, them a kick like Van Damme, Birmingham, London, England, Brampton.
My style, them a kick like London, Birmingham, London. Hey, come on.
Them off the home, I find them from a 30 gun, mad dog from a berry yacht. It has paid me a papa when I pill them. God away you say, senseless pan the $1 million job. Hashtag got the gang pan the gram from a fan. I'm ready to it smoother than the dan. Fit them up, better know our time pan the clock. You know watch them flop, them last pan them up. Gun in the
dog in the blow place, the London massive. Big up me UK people them. I want to, I love the one you know, I love the one.
dun.
Hey, let me know if I London here watch the one you're from. Let me know if I Jamaica when I watch the one you're from. You see me? Let me know what the first song I watch by my channel. Come in.
Dun. Fanada plus clansman, bad man's king, down one dance, paint on gunman. And if I feel like sending to do action, recheck good man, so I get a wrong bang. And my style, them.
If you don't feel like me do action, check good man before you get a wrong bang. I'm to them. Dog Burberry outdoor. Easy. Dog Burberry dog.
Like Van Damme, Birmingham, London, England, Brampton. Cannon, here the girl chase that. Now manifest that bad money we are make away the vixen. Fan the the girl post.
Man say, yo, girl Chester, manifest that. Money we are make with the face coming. Hey, this the scene that we saw on IG when Dara said cool when he was in the woods, and the channel say, yo, start everything them ready for cool now, and you see it, yeah, man, this is the scene right here.
Them only wish them coulda crossed and angolize him similar. Here tear down villa, she turn back up singer. Never speak it up in the big black bimmer. Inna the London, dun. Another plus clansman, bad man, Skeng down, one dance, being done, gunman. If you feel like see me no do action reach.
If you feel like me no do action,
take good man so I get young bang. And my style them a kick like.
Dog, nice streets of London, dog, with the thugs them with the ATV. Yeah, I like how London embracing dancehall music and the dancehall artists, you know. But like how I embrace that's a good look we are one, you know what I'm saying? I'm just like how Jamaica embrace UK music and embrace UK people. I like, you know, the reciprocity, you know what I'm saying, on both sides, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate each other culture, music. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Van Damme, Birmingham, London, England, Brampton,
London, I soon forward. All of my fans in London, all of my subscribers them in London. I soon forward to London. Give it some time, man. Just keep grinding. All of the UK artists, them on me. When you see me do a reaction, we're gonna get interviews from them. We're gonna get exclusive from them. We keep grinding, man. It's just a code. Oh, weird. Just give it some time for them. Can't take it for Joe, but you know, so we're gonna take this thing to the top. You see me?
Senseless alive.
Kill alive. Still no. Zika fine.
I got the Euros in London though. Easy no? Easy no?
Blunt. China fly.
Different.
Step.
No.
Go
No.
to hell. No.
Hello.
No.
Yo, jump down. Step.
Let's go far.
Easy. 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 Mad thing. Skeng, big up yourself, man. London, big up on yourself. London, massive, large. You see me? Real dope track from Skeng people. Let me know what you think about that one day. Let me see no emojis. Let me think if it's garbage, if you say hate. Let me see the flags from where you're from, the country you're from. Let me see where you're watching from. You see me? Let me see if I'm London, I watch from Jamaica, Canada, Germany, Italy. You know what I'm saying? We're very diverse over here, guys. We got family all over. We got German, Italian, England. We got Jamaican, of course, USA. We got Trinidad, Canada. We got people from all over. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I love all out now. I love all of the support. Definitely see the emojis in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what you want me to react to next. Let me know what's the best. What's your favorite part of the video and the song? If this is the lyrics, the beat, the visuals, you know, the artists, the girls, the city. What's your favorite part? Let me know. Chop it up in the comment section. And if you like the music video or the music, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that's a Jambisco senior. You don't know things like man. Yeah, let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. I don't know. This one, guys, I think was, you know, really dope. Glad to see artists like Skeng traveling, you know, broadening the music, you know, only. Why go on for USA? Why Jamaican artists can't get you when they come to America? Why go on? They can go England and they can go Canada and they can go all over. But when it comes to America going like say, why go on? You see me? But anyway, hey man, people, real dope track, real dope artists, not a banger. Till next time, guys, I want you to take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.